Hello, thank you so much for your love and support. And once again, we are back with another video tutorial, and this is VIM. VIM can swipe your score if you don't use it properly. If you don't have favorite text editor yet, this might become the one for you. VIM stand for VI improved. Improved. What we will learn so first, we'll check VIM is installed or not. Second, how to create files in VIM, not in with VIM. Third, modes of VIM. Fourth, how to do copy plus paste and edit, which includes navigation. VIM is installed or not. How you will check? Just open Killer Coda, any playground. VIM is by default installed. You can check VIM and enter. This type of a screen will pop up, so you can find out this VIM is installed, and your version is also given. Here you see VIM is VI improved, and thanks Mr. Bram and all the team. So I'm exiting it by pressing escape colon and Q. Q is for quit, and I'm not writing anything here, so Q quit. So second thing, create a file. So how will you do? Again, open Vim. I will write VIM and HPA.yaml, and when I press enter, so it is in normal mode. You will see nowhere anything is written, so it's in normal mode. I have already copied that content, so Control Shift V, and now escape, or we are in normal mode. Then if we want ESC, press ESC, then also we are in normal mode, and then press colon, so we are in command line mode. And then W for right, W is small w for right, and small q for so exclamation mark, and then save. So we have created HPA YAML file until you delete it. So you can edit existing file by same process. Mention your existing file, press enter, and there are many ways you can edit. You can edit in normal mode, which is this mode. You can press I. So here in bottom left you find that insert is written, so this is a insert mode. You can press Control V, escape, so you again in normal mode, and then you can press V, so you are in visual mode. Or you could be in, you press Control V, Control plus V, you are in visual block, which both are visual mode. And if you press escape again and then colon, so you are in command line. So everywhere you can do the things, but like in normal mode you cannot type. Okay, so I am here, escape, press I am just changing the name, so press J, then escape, press column, so we had write NeoCloud here, and after that we have press escape, so and then colon, and then WQ, and then enter. So I can cat this file, so you will find this name is NeoCloud. Okay, you can, for viewing purpose also you can use this, but disadvantage is that if you edit something by mistake, then it would be horrible. So you can just press escape colon and Q, so every changes will be discarded and you will have your original file. So Control L and we'll create another file, modes.yaml. So I'm copying and pasting important things. So normal mode, navigate, copy, delete, repeat actions you cannot type here. Insert mode, you can type here. Even love letter also you can type here. Command line mode, this is, you can say, once you execute Vim, you have to go into the command line mode, because save, quit, run commands is only with command line mode. Visual mode, it is a very powerful mode for editing block of code. Columns means it can select vertical columns and edit it, indentation or commenting many lines at once. So it is a much powerful visual mode. Means I can say it's a Brahmastra for Vim. You can select, manipulate text much faster, making it a great for advanced editing. So now you are getting a sense how powerful Vim is. So in few minutes I cannot explain all the things, but surely if we will get time, we'll explore many things in Vims. So just I will save it. Now VI modes.yaml. So basic navigation, if I press L, this goes in one character right. When I press H, one character left. When I press J, one character, one line below, means downward. And when I press K, one line upward. So third, navigation. So H, one character left. So you can assume it. This is a person who is going in this direction. This is the old one. And L. So one character right, one character right. You can assume it like a person is walking. So it is in right direction. So J, you can assume it arrow type, downward arrow. J, if you can assume it a downward arrow. So one line in downward direction. And K, you can assume it is a boy, so hanging up, so it's going in up direction. So up direction. Already told that some of analogy may not suit for interview question, but just for understanding the concept. So W, this is a small w. So if I press a small w, then this goes to here, C. From C, it goes to L. Okay. If the sentence is like, then if we press W, then it will go to the this colon sign and from colon to L. So one word, right direction, and capital W is same thing, but ignore punctuations. Ignore punctuations. Similar B for backward. Okay. So if here, then a small b, then comes here, then comes here, then come here. And for capital B, sorry, not come, sorry, sorry. It will not come here. It will directly here. So, and that here the same, but ignores punctuation. So if press GG means top of the line. Top of the line means you can say top of the file, and capital G bottom of the file. Here E is also there. So end of the word. If you want to, if you press U, it means undo, and Control plus R, it's a redo. This you must remember because you need it a lot. If you remember this four thing, then also it's enough. So I'll just quick demo. W. So I am here in N. I press small w. So it is expected that it would come into the M here, and after colon. Yes. If I press W capital, then goes to N, then it goes to C, then D. So ignore punctuation. Here comma is ignored. Okay. Colon is also ignored. Similar in capital B I am typing. So pressing, sorry, capital B, C, capital B, it should come to the capital N. Yes. Now small b. So it will goes to the colon. Yes. And then M, colon, then M, then capital N. Yes. So I press capital G. So it would be last line, bottom of the file, and double G, small double G should be the first line. Boom. I'll do some changes. I press I do something. I press escape. Now I press U. So if I want to redo, then control U. Sorry, control R. So it is redo. So undo, U, redo, control plus R. So these are the basic thing you must remember. If you remember W, G, 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 U, control plus R, it's enough. Now command line mode. Command line mode. So we always W. So what W means? It's a write, means you must write and save. So if Q is quit, WQ is a save quit. So why we put always this? So it's a force. And if you want to search, so it's a word. Search / and any word you want to search. If question mark, it's a backward search. Okay. There are many more things you can explore, but this is enough. One more important thing is set NU and set no NU. So it will show the line number and it will line number. So I just, so this, I will press U now /WRD. So sorry, escape /normal. So you find here. I want to find, so if I want to find mode, so I'll press question mark and mode. You will see it is from bottom, and if you want to repeat search, just press a small n. So you will find mode, and similar in it will find from the top, enter, and then n, then n. Okay. So far so good. Now we'll set NU, and you will find line number appear. And similarly, if you don't want line number, set no NU. You can write number also, but short form is available, then why to type all. So now we'll discuss about visual mode. So in visual mode, if I say this horizontal is like a column. So if I write I love you, I hate you. So if I want to move this you, so I can vertical select it and I can move this side, I can delete, I can replace, and many more things I can do with this. You can figure it out because it's, if you explore it, then only you can use it. So I'm giving one example, you can explore rest of it. So particular, I will take an example of one YAML file. I'll make it little bigger. So VIHPA. So if I want to select this, if I want to indent this, okay, so what I will do, I will select, I will press Ctrl V. You will see visual block, then just downward you can move with the arrow or you can move with the J key, and then press capital, okay, and then space. Here you will see a only one line is moved in one space ahead. Just press escape and you will see all the block will adjusted. Look, all the block has been adjusted. So this is the power of visual mode. So you can explore math much. Okay, so I'm wrapping this here, and thank you for your feedback so that I can improve on. And thank you so much for your love and support. That YAML file video will be the next.